Look what arrived, well, let me turn it around, my Sewers Club box. This is the only subscription box that I receive, and I absolutely love it. Inside of here are 15 fat quarters, and they are all curated for my own tastes. This wonderful company is so flexible that you can choose how many you get, you can choose how often you get them, and you can choose the themes that you get when you receive these. Also, I do get this for free, and there is a promo code below with my code that will get you 25% off your very first box if you choose to get this subscription. So let's take a peek inside. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Ooh, I love this. I love when I first open the box. That's the best part. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I just love it already. Look at these colors. There's turquoise and greens and pinks, and oh, I just love it. Like I've said before, this isn't meant to go together. It doesn't always look like this, but this one looks like it goes together pretty well, even though it's not really supposed to. We also get this card. It has all of the things that you got, the names, so if you want to order more, you can. And also this company has a store, so you can get this stuff and you can get tons of other stuff too. So let's get started taking a peek. Okay, so one of the things I requested or that I checked off when I curated my box is holiday prints. And look at these candy canes. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. I love these. Oh my gosh. And again, I'll put the names of each one up on the screen so you can see. Love that. The next one is this yellow. I think last month I got something with the same type of print. One of the things I requested are blenders. This is definitely a blender and I love it. It's like a yellow, but almost like a brownish yellow. It's really pretty. Hopefully you can see that color on screen. Oh, another holiday print. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, I love this too. It looks cute with this one too. Look at how nice. And we have this one, which is the same print, different colorway. So this one's a turquoise, while this one's a white. Love it, so pretty. Not loving the turquoise as much as the white, but I do like it. Next, oh, this is interesting. Okay, turn it around here. These are Christmas balls. I just am not really into that turquoise and pinks at Christmas time. I know a lot of people are, and I know it's very popular right now. This is okay, not my favorite, but that's okay. I'm not gonna like them all. Oh, this is pretty. Now, again, it's that turquoise, and I think it's part of the holiday line. It does go with this, but I could see using this fabric in other ways and not necessarily for Christmas because it doesn't read Christmas, that's for sure. Oh, I like this. This is almost like a mod with a gold flare. So there's a metallic in this. I like this. This is pretty. This is really pretty. And this one, oh, this definitely is like that mod or retro looking fabric in the turquoise. I like this a lot too. It'd be really pretty in the right block or in like say the inside of a bag as a surprise. Love that. This is very pretty, vintage looking, almost like, I don't know, a handkerchief or a vintage tablecloth or something like that. I like this a lot, very pretty. Oh, we have another blender, very nice. This is like a pink peachy color. Oh, no, I think I got this one last time. I'll have to check. I'm pretty sure, but that's okay. I'll take more of it because it is a pretty blender. Really nice. It almost looks like it's scratched wood or something. Oh, I like this. This red and white candy cane stripe type of fabric. Love that. Where's our candy canes? Look at how cute that would look with some other fabrics in there. Love that. It doesn't have to be Christmas, but it definitely could be used in a Christmas quilt. It could also work for Valentine's Day. And next, ooh, I like this. I like this a lot. This is really pretty. It would look good, or let me see if it looks good actually with this one. I like that. Again, it has that mod feel. Can I even add this? I like that a lot. Very pretty. And then, oh, another very vintagey handkerchief type of print floral, very pretty. Love it. Very soft, very feminine. Love this. And finally, our last one is this pink. And I think I got some of these last time too. It wasn't the pink, it was different colorways. But this is a really wonderful blender. Even though it is a directional, technically you can't tell when you cut it up. It really is a beautiful piece. I love these. I love this month's box, as I love them all. So my favorite, of course, like I mentioned, is this turquoise. I love this. And I'm not usually a sparkly kind of gal, but I really do love this. My least favorite is this one, and it's just because of the colors. I like more traditional holiday colors. So this box is the Stash Builder box. The company also has a project box. And a few weeks ago, the company reached out to me and mentioned me possibly doing an unboxing and a make for the project box too. So I'm not sure if that's gonna happen, but maybe next time you'll see that too. Either way, I will see you soon. Have a wonderful day and make sure you take some time to sew. Bye.